Good morning, students. Welcome to the session of virtual classes of Oscar Public School. Children, first of all, I apologize you that I am unable to conduct live classes. Children, in this week, I will share the videos. We will do writing section in this week. Children, watch both videos attentively and do the writing part in your classwork notebook. Clear, everyone? Watch both videos very carefully and complete your classwork work. So let's begin today's topic. Today we will do letter writing. Children, man lives in the society amidst the fellow human beings. So he needs to communicate with other human beings. He has to be in touch with those friends and relatives who are living at distant places. Besides, he has to communicate with officers in the office, business firm, etc. No doubt, children, that there are fast means of conveying messages. These days, important decision concerning business, whether in the field of trade or industry, have to be conveyed without loss of time. But these means are so substitute for a letter which says that it should be in writing. It should be in black and white. Otherwise, we would have sent through the spoken words. Children, letter writing is an art. Drafting a good letter is like designing a good dresser, conducting a well-planned house. A personal letter becomes a substitute for a talk. Children, letters can be broadly divided into the following categories. First of all, informal letters or formal letters. Children, informal letters are letters to friends, letters to blood relations, whereas formal letters, these are the letters making inquiries, placing orders. These are called, children, business letters. Then making requests and drawing attention to the lack of civic enmities. These are official letters. And the letters which are expressing news on matters of public importance, these are letters of editor. So these come in the category of formal letters. So today we will do formal letters, children. Formal letters are business letters, official letters, letter to the editor. Business letters making inquiry, placing order. Official letters making request and drawing attention to the lack of civic enmities. Letter to the editor, children, expressing news on matter of public importance. Clear, children? So we will do today formal letters, children. Okay? Children, all of you open page number 251 of your grammar book, Prachi book, children. Children, there are sample layout of formal letter. That is the format of formal letter. What is there? There is a format of formal letter. First of all, we have to write the sender's address. What we have to write? Sender's address. Then leave one line, you will write the date. Then the title, that is the subject. The designation of the addressee. Then address of the addressee. Then the subject. Then the salutation. Then we will continue writing in the paragraph form. First of all, the introduction. Then second paragraph consists of how you are telling to solve it. Your suggestion in the third paragraph. And lastly, the conclusion. Summary of how the problem should be solved. Yours faithfully is the subscription, then your signature, full name of the sender and designation of the sender at last. Clear, children? Children, formal letters are usually addressed to the government officials, businessman, banks, school principal. Applications are also placed in this category, children. Applications are also called as formal letters. The language should be in such letters should be formal. Children, the language used in such letters should be formal. Clear, children? So now the layout of the formal letter we will discuss, children. Sender's address, then the date, designation and the address of the receiver. The addressee, who is that? Sender's address, date, designation and the address of the receiver. Then leave one line, the subject, sir or ma'am, that is the salutation. Then the body of the letter will come, the subscription, writer's signature, children, should be there with name at the last. So let's recall, children. First of all, what you will write over there? Sender's address, date, designation and address of the receiver, the subject, salutation, that is ma'am or sir, body of letter with the subscription, writer's signature and the name. Children, an application is a formal letter written to seek application, the permission for a specific purpose. You may write an application to your teacher, principal or to the employee for a job. Children, the tone of the application should be formal and polite. The content should be clear, relevant and precise. Clear, everyone? So children, see here the sample formal letters given on page 251. Write a letter to the president of municipal committee of your town, requesting him to maintain a park for children. You are Sakshi Samrat, living in Indra Colony, Panipat. Children, here the name is given with the address. So you will write the given name with the given address. Clear, all of you? You have to write a letter to the president of municipal committee to maintain a park for children. So let's read. Children, you will write the date. First of all, the address you will write over here, house number 476, block A, Indra Colony, Panipat. You will write today's date. What is today's date, children? Today is 17th August 2021. The President, Municipal Committee, subject. What is the subject given? Request for the park for children. Dear Sir and Ma'am, it is a matter of regret that there is no park for children in our area. Children have no place to play. They play either on street or on roadside. Their lives are at stake. there is maybe mishap because of this act. Any vehicle may crush these children. So it is the duty of the civic authorities to look to the need of their tiny citizens. So it is requested that at least one park can be maintained for children. Yours faithfully. Children, you will write which name? Children will write Sakshi and boys will write Samrat, which was given in the question. Clear, children?